A Chinese company investing in palm plantations in Indonesia has boosted the growth of the local economy and improved villagers' livelihoods. The Tianjin-based Julong Group invested in its first palm plantation in the Southeast Asian country in 2006. Through an efficient cooperation mode, the plantation helped many local villagers earn a steady and substantial income. Meanwhile, some of the profits were used to build roads, bridges, and other infrastructure.
Warga masyarakat kami yang bisa ikut bekerja di perusahaan. Kemudian yang kedua, melalui program CSR-nya, warga kami dibantu melalui pembagian sembako setiap tahun.
Mereka cukup senang dengan adanya kebun plasma karena ada hasil. Karena sebelumnya hanya lahan kosong, tapi dengan adanya kebun plasma setidaknya ada hasil bagi mereka.
In 2013, the year when the Belt and Road Initiative was proposed, Julong Group started to promote the construction of an agricultural industry cooperation zone in Indonesia. The cooperation zone was later approved as an economic and trade cooperation zone in August 2016. At present, the company plants nearly 60,000 hectares of palm across Indonesia and hires more than 11,000 local workers, which account for 99% of all its employees.
Di sini kalau kita yang muda seperti ini dikasih kesempatan sih. Kalau di perusahaan yang lain kan lebih cenderung usia berapa, jadi itulah diprioritaskan. Kalau di sini enggak. Kalau kamu mampu ya silahkan. Kita ada training juga, pelatihan, ada kayak refresh training lah.
To make life easier for its local employees, the company has also built a primary school and a kindergarten in one of its plantations. Nearly 300 children are already taking classes here.